Hello everyone! Today I have a plan with me video for you. I've been feeling very overwhelmed lately. I need to turn in my law master's thesis next Monday, I have tons of videos to research, plan and film, and I ended up having to skip most of my history midterms because I had absolutely no time to study for them due to the fact that I had to finish my thesis. Having to postpone my evaluations and feeling like I was falling behind with my YouTube schedule has made me feel like I'm failing at life lately, so there's nothing better than a planning session to get back on track. I'm starting with the basics by opening my bullet journal/planner and going to my week on 2-page spreads and inserting all major events this week. I have things like a doctor's appointment, a webinar, a couple of meetings, some due dates, a birthday, and so on. On the right side of the spread, I'm writing major to-dos and goals for the week that do not need to be scheduled in a specific day, but definitely need to be done by Friday. I think that having a weekly list instead of a bunch of daily ones helps you structure your goals and tasks better and gives you a sense of purpose for each week. After all that is filled in, I go to the bullet journal section in my file of facts and start writing down the tasks I have for today. I use the most basic bullet journaling system there is with the typical bullets envisioned by Ryder Carroll. I try to break down my main tasks into smaller tasks so they can feel more attainable, and I also have a section for the tasks I need to transport for the following day and the remaining days of the week. These are things that I have to do, and I know I don't have the time to complete today, but writing them down on top of my head gives me the assurance that I won't forget to do them simply because I only need to schedule them the following day. Having all of these main day-to-day things written down immediately makes me feel more calm and less overwhelmed. However, there's still more planning to do, and for that I have to open my Notion app in my computer. I use Notion to do all of the project and creative planning for YouTube, as well as major projects like redecorating, planning for a trip, and so on. Here I'm going through some of the scripts I need to write for some YouTube videos and checking whether I need to do some research on the topics I'm going to talk about, understanding the status of each video that is in progress, and so on. After most of my work is checked in, I switch to my personal workspace and then I skim through my major organization projects as well as day-to-day life lists like my shopping list, and then I try to understand whether there's something missing or something that I still need to organize. Breaking everything down into these Notion pages lets me know immediately whether something needs my attention or whether everything's in order. I cannot recommend Notion highly enough due to all the complexity in managing different pages, spreads, and workspaces, so if you want to check it out, it's free, although it comes with some perks on the premium version, and I will link everything down below. Also, tell me in the comments what you usually do when you're feeling overwhelmed with work, and I cannot wait to read your advice because I really need it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe because it really helps this channel grow and develop, and I will see you next week. Bye!